Good morning, YouTubers. So here is our 137th design of the year. Posted the design time lapse for this a couple days ago. Got a little ahead of ourselves. So here's the actual print. This is Genji sword from Overwatch. This is our second design, 8 weeks ahead. Looks pretty sweet. Alright, let's clean it up, filler prime it, sand it, paint it, get this video up. Yeah, I really like that edge. It's pretty sweet. Alright. Sand it, filler primered up. Getting ready to sand it, paint it gold. Get this video posted today. Yeah, I like that. Never played Overwatch myself, but I know they do have some sweet ass weaponry in there. Yep, okay, that's total badassness. Alright, let's get this video finished. Alright, all done up. Sweet. I'll give it a little touch up right there. I was sitting on the cap drying. Nice. Alright, if you like this design, you like the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless.